Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a simple DIY spray with hibiscus flowers and black seed. Yes, if you are new to the channel, my name is Lydia. On this channel, I teach simple DIYs to use on your hair as sprays, masks, and also oils, and also general hair growth tips. In this video, we are using hibiscus and black seed as a scalp spray when you are in braids in order to give you fresh scalp and also make you grow your hair while you are in braids. First of all, I used about, just counting it randomly, 10 flowers of hibiscus leaves and then a little to a teaspoon of black seeds. These seeds are very natural and very potent. So the point here is to infuse them. You have to look for a means of infusion, whether oil or water. But in this video, we are doing a spray, so we are going in for water. You can use boiled water or you can just put it in a container of water and let it sit for about 24 hours. So, hibiscus generally is able to help thicken the hair after consistent use. If you use hibiscus consistently, you are going to thicken your hair. You are going to see visibly thick hair after consistent use. Yes. And then black seeds, on the other hand, is also very potent for the hair. Yes, you can do only black seeds for your hair, but in this video, combining the two gives a powerful combination. Like this is an Indian herb that is going to change how you see herbs. So it's important to infuse them for long, like let it sit in the water for a while so that you're able to get so much nutrients for these powerful herbs. Black seed is a type of herb you can use on your hair, especially if you have thinning edges, you have a bald spot and your hair is not growing in general. Black seed is something you can use on your hair, especially as an oil. Black seed oil is so powerful, so if you want to see the potency of your black seed, turn it into an oil, infuse it into an oil, and then use it on your bald spot regularly. And you're going to see significant difference in your hair growth. Once I add the water to it, I let it steep for about 15 minutes or depending on how hot the water is. My water is not usually very hot, so about 30 minutes I go and do other stuff and then I come back for it. But then if my water is hot, if your water is hot, you can just do it for about 15 minutes and then strain everything. I missed the video where the part where I strained it, so I'm sorry, that's why I just skipped to this part. But yes, I strained everything into this container and this is me applying it on my hair. My hair is freshly braided, not freshly, it's about 3 days old, and you know that thing that after braiding your hair, after a while you start getting bumps on your scalp and all that. I don't like it because it gives me so much pain and irritation. So it's about 3 days old and I want to make sure that my scalp is still healthy and feeling very clean and well moisturized. So I go in with this hibiscus and black seed spray. I sprayed it all over my hair. You know, protective style is good, but it doesn't mean you should leave your hair to relax and do nothing. It's important to leave your hair alone, but you also need to, do something to aid in it. So protective style and protecting your hair actually is very good. So I followed up with my herbal growth oil. This is herbal and my hair care line. I followed up with it on my scalp and also at points that I feel that I'm feeling more of the braids pain so that I'm able to get some relief from it. Yes, guys, you can do this every other day, meaning Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, not necessarily doing them every day. Yes, and do well to follow up with the oil or butter, just a light butter, so that you are not going to clog your pores or something. Yes, so I do this every other day. Sometimes I forget, sometimes I change them because I have different sprays. So, I just interchange them. What I feel like doing at a point is what I use. Yes, so let me know what you think. Do well to massage your scalp when you finish applying these products to your hair, because massaging the scalp is what really promotes hair growth. My name is Lydia once again. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to like it and also do well to comment and subscribe if you are new. I have a little tip. There's something called the inversion method. If you want your hair to grow, you have to try applying or massaging your head when your head or your scalp is inverted. Yes, this is a side tip I want to add so everybody can learn something. I hope you enjoy the video. Till next time, bye.